Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. One day before Tesla's earnings are revealed, we see the stock sliding significantly, with Tesla stock dropping today as much as 7%. Obviously, this is a day where most of the market is actually in the red, so Tesla is not the only company here. But this obviously isn't a good trend. Down 13% over the past 5 days, the past month and the past 6 months, you guys already know the story. The question is, where is Tesla going tomorrow? And what is going to be revealed? This is what a lot of people are obviously wondering, this is what a lot of people are looking forwards to. And what is the latest with Tesla? Where can we expect this company to go in the near future? Because as much as we can talk about broad market conditions, whilst they are not going to be helping the company, there are a few subjective factors around the business which are worth focusing on. Now obviously we are seeing Tesla stock crashing as much as 50% now, and this comes at a time where we are seeing more and more analysts lowering their price targets on Tesla, even some of the biggest bulls. We've spoken before about how whilst Tesla has dropped 50%, this is a result of essentially dismal first quarter delivery numbers, concerns about the CEO Elon Musk's involvement in politics, and generally just a bad economic climate. At the same time, we are seeing a analyst, Dan Ives, who's been bullish for a long time on Tesla, now saying that Elon Musk could permanently damage Tesla's brand if he fails to disengage from politics. Now this is really quite significant, and the reason for that is because of the amount of an impact he thinks this will have. Ives has recently estimated that Tesla could reach 600 per share following the election. However, he's adjusted this, and now we're seeing his estimate being closer to $315 per share. What a drop off this is. And he's not the only person saying this, as we've covered this before. We have other analysts which believe that Tesla is in a very worrying position, urging that their future prospects are basically shocking, right? So we're seeing analysts warning the alarm bells as Tesla continues to nosedive in terms of stock, in terms of demand, and in terms of projections. According to a report from EV, Vijay Rakesh, an analyst for financial services company Mizu, has lowered projections on a number of delivered cars in the automaker's forecast by 500,000. This is down from 2.3 million all the way to 1.8 million in 2025. They believe that Tesla's going to sell less vehicles. And as I said previously, do bear in mind, guys, this estimate for Tesla still puts the company at a massive increase from where it is right now, still giving an outperform rating of $430. However, this is down from the initial 515, obviously quite a substantial dip. Do bear in mind though, this will still represent a 72% increase in Tesla's current price, and I think this is something that so many people try and overplay, right? So many people like to say, oh, Tesla's going down, or analysts don't believe in Tesla. A lot of analysts are lowering their price targets in Tesla. However, a lot of analysts still do have outperform targets for the future. I think the real concern is the brand damage which is being done to Tesla, and we've seen a number of different analysts speak about this. So what we have here is another example of it. We believe that Tesla's sales woes are the result of deterioration in geopolitics, brand perception, share loss due to longer competition or stronger competition, and softer than expected demand for the Model Y refresh. And these are a number of factors that we hear all the time, right? The demand is simply just not there, as people are just not happy with the way that Tesla's being run. Again, Tesla is in a bit of a code red for a number of different reasons. You know, like many American manufacturers, Tesla is caught in the blind thanks to President Trump's trade war. Unlike most of the other car companies, Tesla has an added wrinkle. Its CEO Elon Musk, sometimes called the First Buddy for his close relationship he's cultivated with the president. So Tesla's earnings are expected to be reported quite soon, but there's a catch. If Musk allegedly continues his close ties to Trump, potentially the company could continue to alienate customers, both in the US and overseas. People who do not like Trump's policies and the way he's treating other countries as well. A lot of people domestically in the US seemingly don't like his policies, but a lot of people around the world are also in the same boat. We've seen movements like boycott US products all around Europe, all around the world, in Canada as well. People aren't happy because you're taking money away from those countries, so obviously they're not going to be happy about it. Bear in mind, the first quarter saw the largest drop in sales basically after a non-stop double-digit sales growth period. The automaker's finances are only part of what investors will want to know. They also will want to know how much the Trump administration's 25% tariff on imported vehicles is costing Tesla and what Musk thinks about them. A big question is when Musk intends to step back from the Department of Government Efficiency in Washington and focus on fixing Tesla's problems. People are waiting to see the progress on self-driving cars, the robotaxi fleet, a less expensive new Tesla model plan, and a number of different other factors. There are so many things which need to be fixed by Tesla. And again, that is a very good point. What is Elon Musk's long-term plan here? Does he wish to continue being the CEO of Tesla? Is that his aim? And is he going to take a step back from politics? And the real question, the real concern perhaps is, does it even matter? At this stage, does it even matter? It's undeniable that Tesla has experienced a lot of brand damage, a lot due to Elon Musk's current position. Is this even going to be something that they can recover from? It's a rather large question, but I think it's one worth asking. And I want to know your thoughts on this in the comment section. It's really a crazy period to watch all this sort of stuff going on, guys, but it's going to be interesting to see how Tesla and Elon Musk is able to play this off. As I'm sure you would expect, I'm going to keep you guys updated over the next few days. We'll obviously follow the latest results. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye.